Do you also want to make a lot of money by making AI art without having any knowledge of design? If yes, then make sure to follow this video. AI revolution is here, and those who learn more and more about AI will 10x their career and also have huge earning opportunities, whether as full-time or even as a side hustle. I'm super excited to share this AI tool with you all, from which we can make design illustrations, user experiences, that is UX, of websites and apps without thinking of it yourself, and that too instantly within seconds to minutes. Hey guys, it's Namya. Welcome to AI Banter, where we discuss all about AI, tech, news, startups, tools, ways to earn money using AI, and more. Here's one of the first tools that was launched for text-to-image generation, Midjourney.
But recently I clicked on join the beta. When I typed the basic prompt of /imagine prompt, land full of trees, I got the message of subscription required. That's why I thought that I would share a free text-to-image generation tool, that is Blue AI.
Blue AI is an image generating AI tool that is designed to help the users create logos, graphics, photorealistic scenes, and more. The user simply needs to enter a prompt and the tool will generate a wide range of images to be used for any project. It basically leverages multiple different AI image generation models, picking the best model for the prompt provided.
So here we are on 𝗵𝗶𝗀.ai, which is the domain for the website. So we are going to click on try now for free. That will open our Discord. Then we need to click on join 𝗵𝗶𝗀.ai to create. So after accepting the terms and conditions, we come over here to the server guide. Then we go on to any one of the rookies. Suppose for example I've clicked on rookie 1. Then I come on over here and type my message as /imagine and then click on prompt. Suppose I want an image of a land full of candies. So here I get it, a land full of candies. So basically U1, U2, U3 and U4, they represent the particular images as U1, U2, U3 and U4, whereas V1 represents that I want a better version of image 1, whereas V2 represents that I want a better version of image 2. Now, for example, I want a prompt for a dark forest with river. So I write over here /imagine and then click on prompt and I write a realistic image of dark forest with river, and then I click on enter. Okay, then we wait for the result. Here it is, a realistic image of dark forest with river. So we get 4 versions for that, and definitely these are like spectacular. Now if I want to have a higher resolution for U1, I click on U1 and then again I need to scroll down. Here I have it. Now I can open this in the browser and I have a high resolution picture. People have created spectacular images using this. For example, when we click on this, or even people lost in pine trees jungle. Like The more you be specific, the better images are created. This person has written a cartoonic image where Virat Kohli is portrayed as a muscular and energetic character. Then we get this cricket inspired posters, and this can honestly be used as a digital product to be sold on online platforms, and you can earn a whole lot of money for this. Now with such a great prompt and specification, we can definitely become a freelancer on sites like Upwork and sell our digital products and be a freelancer and earn like $5,000 per month, even though we do not have the knowledge of design.
Now let's say I want a user interface for a mobile application of a doctor and a patient. So I type this prompt: an online application for doctors and patients user interface.
Yes, so it has given me an online care application and the user interface for that. So yeah, we can definitely again become a freelancer and design these user interfaces with the help of 𝗵𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗍 AI for free.
Now let's enter Fiverr, a freelance website. As you can see, people are charging from 4,000 rupees to 6,000 rupees for making a single illustration. And with the help of text to image generation software tools, you can definitely become a freelancer and earn lots of money. So now you have seen how you can start giving your services to users and your clients on such freelancing websites, and also earn money as a side gig or as a side hustle just by using such kinds of AI software tools that are for text to image generation. You can also create website designs and then apply them into other softwares. This is the new revolution that we are living in, where AI art is created just within seconds. You can even make merches for different clients, and actually you can sell your own t-shirts and various kinds of things on Amazon or maybe Gumroad. Sky is the limit for you. You can go and try it out yourself, and let me know if you have any questions. Please like this video and subscribe to AI Banter. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.